Here is our finished bed for the purple rain potatoes. We have managed to cover it up with straw. Here this morning I've made one of the beds, which is 4 feet wide, and the pathway on the side is going to be 2 feet wide. It's not that clean looking right now, and I'm not bothered with it either, because once we start watering it, all the soil which is loose is going to settle in, and we're going to mulch it as well as we go along. So here in this bed, what I'm planning is to put mint in it. So to start with, what I did, just like here, you see a boundary line. I set up a boundary line, and then I dig the soil from the side and put it in between. It's probably a little bit more raised than what I would like it to be. So we're going to level it off and see whatever the excess is, we're going to push that to a side. And now I'm going to make the boundary line on the other side, leaving 2 feet in between for the path, and then once again 4 feet wide bed. So I'm going to get on with that now. Here is a stick which I've cut to the size for the pathway, and I've got another stick for the size of the bed, so I don't have to measure it every time. And when making this line, I'd like to have a fair bit of tension on it, because if the soil falls on it, it doesn't move the line. It kind of keeps its place. So just like I did on the other side, we're gonna put this soil over this part, and then we'll have a pathway in the middle. So this is it. That's how we are making the beds. So I'm gonna go ahead and carry on doing this, and then we'll plant a few seeds as well today. So I thought I'll just bring you along and show you how we are making the beds. So when I finished the first bed, it was up to this point, and that was because I was over myself digging and doing, and then some help arrived. So instead of just being here, we have gone all the way down. So alhamdulillah, now there is second bed which is complete, and we are working on the third bed. Bring you along and show you what we are doing with the bed which is ready. Here we've planted mint. So there are like 3 to 4 plants in each row. I think further down they become 4 plants each row, and they are like a foot apart.